gator, snapping by the lake. B is for bear, who loves to bake. C is for cat, chasing a ball. D is for dolphin, making a splashy call. E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for frog, jumping on a cloud. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hippo, dancing to the beat. Can we sing? Come sing along, learning letters with an animal song. From A to Z, we'll dance and play. The alphabet fun is on its way.
I is for iguana, climbing up a tree.
J is for jaguar, fast and free.
K is for kangaroo, bouncing with glee. L is for lion, roaring, look at me.
M is for monkey, swinging all around.
N is for nightingale, a lovely sound.
O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, sliding left and right.
Q is for quail, quick and shy. R is for rabbit, hopping by. S is for snake, slithering slow.
T is for tiger, ready to go. U is for unicorn, shiny and bright. V is for vulture, taking flight.
W is for whale, deep in the sea.
X is for x-ray fish.
Strange but free.
Y is for yak, with fluffy hair.
Z is for zebra, with stripes to share.